Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPad, the 3rd generation. Alright, I got the black 16 gigabyte model. There it is. Alright, so standard packaging, iCloud logo, iPad, Apple, iPad. Alright. Okay, here we are. There we go. There it is. Pull it out, set that aside for a second. Looks like pretty much the same as the iPad 2. It's got all your information in there. 30-pin dock connector. And then that's it. And the iPad itself. So there it is. Looks like they have a new startup logo. Let's take a second for the first time. There it is. Alright, so the setup, I'm pretty sure it's the same as the normal iPad. Alright, so I'm going to enter my password. Can't really tell the screen looks a lot sharper than the normal iPad 2 screen. Set up as a new iPad. Just going to skip this step for now. Alright, and start using it. Okay, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the two iPads. This is the iPad 2 and that's the iPad 3rd generation. They look pretty much the same. But I do notice the iPad 3 3rd generation is slightly heavier. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a very minimal difference in the width. In the back, this is the iPad 3. See, the camera is slightly larger. Other than that, there's no real differences that you can see. So, expect a review very soon of the iPad 3rd generation. Thanks for watching.